going to do the Going to the Sun Road a little more in depth and both ways. We're going to start with Avalanche Lake and figure out what we want to do from there. It's beautiful. You know, earlier in the morning you can see all of the mountains reflected in the water and just really pretty light cast on everything. So, should be gorgeous. We just got real lucky and got a spot at Logan Pass. We had to circle the parking lot a few times and compete with a lot of other people. So now we're going to do the Hidden Lake Overlook. The trail to Hidden Lake is closed, but the overlook looks pretty cool. And it's getting a little late in the day, so it should be perfect length.